Hi everybody, this is Val with This Is How You Do It. I'm up in the Gran-Villa and I'm going to repair those curtains right there. I got everything on the pickup truck, like the felt, the ladder, some scissors, and some tacks to repair that curtain. I got the curtain up top like that. You see that part that's hanging up top? Well, I'm going to put one curtain right there and one right there. And then on the cooking section, the wind whooped that and tore that. So I'm going to repair that one. So that's what I'm doing in the Gran-Villa this morning. And I'll let you see the finished product. This is the finished product. I got the curtains up and done, no holes. And that is what your girl did today. This is Val at the Gran-Villa Gardens. Home of Bone Riders. If you the stamp in a letter, lick it. All right, folks, we're gonna get on away from here with that.